Alright, so for week 3, projects 1 and 2 um, for creating WordPress websites are already finished for the most part. So because I already had made this website in the past, obviously I was working on some new things. But as I went through the assignments, I noticed, well, first off, I installed and updated WordPress, although not 3.0. I am actually on 3.7.1, the most current version. And yeah, it's all installed, so project 1 is essentially done a while ago. Project 2, though, I noticed that there were a few things um, that I've done, but some things that I could still address. For example, widget ready, 2-column themed. Yes, I have a 3-column first page, but I actually want single columns on the others, but I have plenty of widgets. It was ready for it, and I've used widgets in it. As far as drop-down navigational menu system that is in there, I have quite a few. Um, 4 on the main heading, but I have plenty of drop-down sub-menus existing in the menu system. I have a static home page. My website did not utilize posts. I basically had a plugin installed for contact information for clients or interested prospective clients to leave me information, but I decided through this assignment to go ahead and add a page where clients can actually comment and post directly to my page where I have customer reviews, where I already have a slideshow running of scanned handwritten customer reviews from clients that I decided to post into a slideshow to show actual people's written words instead of something I could type in. I think it was a little more authentic. The website includes a sidebar with appropriate site enhancing widgets. Yes. Have installed and activated a minimum of 3 plugins. I actually have quite a few. I use more than 3. The website contains real meaningful information as it does due to it being for my business. So essentially I spent a little bit of time then on some plugins, work, getting more widgets installed because I really didn't have any in, working on video problems I was having, Internet Explorer videos. The videos wouldn't show in Internet Explorer HTML5 code that I had written into the text editor portion of WordPress, so I decided to go ahead and find a plugin for a video player that would play on any system, which has turned out to be successful. Also adding that post page. So starting out, I'll go over here to WordPress, my site, online using Internet Explorer, and as I mentioned before, I had a problem with videos playing here, but now when I go ahead and go, I do have my video play, no problem here, where it didn't do this before, so that's nice. Heading over to my actual Google version. This is the dashboard here, most current version, some plugins. I have one I have to update, but I have all sorts of plugins already installed. As you can see, quite a few of them are actually being used. Some of them are behind the scenes, some of them are widgets, some of them are video players. So I have a slideshow, actually 2 of them. And I want to start to use the Google SEO right here to help me out a little bit too, possibly with search. As you can see, some of my plugins are already here that are being used in the site right now. My current slideshow player, my video player to make it play videos to all browsers, and I also use a smart YouTube plugin that plays my videos that I have on YouTube, which are all about my picture montages instead of the wedding videos. So they were in a different place, so this kind of made it easy to bring them in without transferring all the files to this site. So looking at my site then, as you can see, I already got the wedding videos to work. If I go to any of my pages, I have my slideshows functioning. There it goes. Videos for any of the subcategories work just fine, which is great. And yeah, filming video services. I also played around with adding a widget that has related data from another website, an RSS feed. Added a search along with my image widget to have my company logo. And at the bottom, after the plugin for contact information, I added some more widgets, one for my sitemap, some metadata, along with a couple more images, sort of giving the site a little bit more content. As I mentioned, I've got sub pages as well, additional video samples. I spent time on this. This video player allows me now, instead of having 20 different videos running down this page, I now just have this one player with all of the various chapters for one wedding, so that somebody can see an entire wedding along with that wedding's highlight video right here. So that's kind of nice. Under reviews, I already had the slideshow running with the authentic comments from clients. Now I as well have added a page underneath reviews that allows clients to leave me posts, and I have set 2 categories up, one for clients from wedding videos and another from clients for DJing, so that I can separate these 2 pages or information from posts to use at a later time. And who am I? Well, who is my company? And yes, everything is there as well. So I had a nice time adding things, getting video to work, putting widgets in, sprucing the pages up a little bit, as well as I did play a little bit in the code. I changed some of my fonts to fonts I wanted just by adding the font declaration from the original fonts that were included, which I left in some of the pages as well. Back to the home. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the time I was able to spend this week making this website run better, essentially, which it does now. So, yep, week 3 problems or projects 1 and 2 completed, plus a little extra work on video plugins to round out everything for this week. Thanks.